Hey guys, what's going on? In this video, I'm going to show you how to take this 55-gallon drum and turn it into your very own ugly drum smoker. I originally picked up this drum from OfferUp for only $10, so it wasn't too expensive, nor were the parts expensive at all. I also picked up free firewood from Facebook Marketplace. Alright guys, so first things first, you want to empty out the 55-gallon drum. Any fluid or whatever used to be in it, because that stuff can get really flammable, as you can see here.
Grind off this lip right
So as my buddy Austin explains here, to grind down the lip until the lid came off, we took a different approach and just ended up cutting right under the lip. After cutting the lid off the drum, he's just sanding it down to smooth out the edges and getting it ready to have a bonfire later that night. Alright guys, so the reason why I picked up all that free firewood was just to burn the inside of the barrel out from any of the contaminants that were left behind and help get the paint off.
Yo guys, welcome back to the garage. I've been working on this smoker. Last time I talked to you guys, we burned the inside of the barrel, had a bonfire that night, and this is 2 weeks later. We got the first sunny day out. It's gorgeous out. Barrel, let me just show you guys what we're looking at right now. Boom. And here she is, and you could pretty much see that most of this paint pretty much got taken off. I just dumped out the ash, so it's not bad. So what I'm gonna do is just take a grind wheel and use a wire on it, attachment on it, and pretty much take the rest of this paint off. Whatever sticker labeling was right here, and if there was something I could change that what we did about this. So at first we took the top off of this, right, and the way we cut it is from the side, and when we did that, we had tried banging down the side to edge it up, and as you guys could tell, it's not too straight. And all we were doing is trying to level it out and stuff, and because we were cutting not wrong, but we uneven cuts, you know. So the way I would cut it next time, we were doing it from the side, and you guys had seen that right under that lip. I would go from the inside and put it down and cut like that way, so you could have the perfect circular top. All right guys, just to show you more of what I was talking about, I put this is the lip part and this is the lid part. This is what it is on top of it, and if I wanted to use this as a lid right here, I wouldn't be able to, or I gotta figure something out, because right now without this lip piece, boom, it just doesn't, gaps and stuff, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna have to figure something out, but for right now I'm gonna just sit here, take the rest of the paint off to the inside and outside, and I'm gonna put you guys on a time lapse.
Alright guys, so here in the video you can see us putting together our charcoal basket. Again, we are not welding any part of this drum, so we just used a couple nuts and bolts to put this together. So here you could see us putting the charcoal basket in, and it fit perfectly, except the bolts to hold the grate at the top were just a little too long, so we ended up exchanging those and getting new ones about 2 inches long. So here in the video you could just see my buddy Austin getting the drum ready for all the attachments that we're going to include. So he's just drilling out all the holes and stuff for us to attach everything. The holes that we drilled at the top were 6 inches from the top to hold the grate, and the bottom hole was only 4 inches to attach our elbow and a couple washers and then the steel pipe. So you're going to want to sand the pipes to the inlet valve and get it ready for some paint. Here I'm just showing you guys I used red caliper paint. It was still a high temp up to 900 degrees, so it worked fine. It was just a little bit thicker, so I had to go nice even coats on it. With our elbows attached to the drum, we just covered it up with a plastic bag and then started spraying this with black high temp paint. We did 3 coats of this on the drum. Alright, so here we're just adding our template of this pig that we made. It was fairly easy. Just had to get an X-Acto knife and cut it out pretty much. And we're mainly doing this just for the aesthetics of the drum. It turned out really cool and it was a fun project, so we just wanted to add a little taste of our own to this drum. When the paint finally dried, we started attaching everything and it started coming together as our smoker. So this turned out pretty cool to have a first look at what it was going to look like. With the way we cut the drum, we couldn't use the original lid as a lid for the smoker, so I ended up ordering one on Amazon along with the exhaust vent damper and also a handle. Here we just use a Dremel cutting wheel to cut away the parts for the exhaust. With the holes cut out of the lid, next step was just to paint it. So we did 3 coats on each side. Because we bent the top of the lid down, we just used a gasket from the egg smoker to put around the rim and help seal that smoke in. Alright guys, so this was only a weekend project for us. So it took about 4 weekends to do, but we got everything attached, and with our first gorgeous day outside, we took the smoker out to season it. If you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful, useful, entertaining, please subscribe and hit that like button. Guys, so here is our smoker put up for the test. The lid was fine and the gasket was working perfectly and it was able to hold its temperature. Now I'm ready for summer. Thank you guys for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe.